What's good? It's the kid from the middle of the map. And that's where I'm at. We're gonna be potting up again today. And today what we got is a Verbena plant. As you can see, a little rough for wear, but a lot of new growth. This will normally put on beautiful purple flowers on the end. But today what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and pot this up and do some pruning. So here we go. Don't forget to get your Garden Mack Gear, you dig? Got a bigger pot to go into. Got our soil. This is my homemade mix, of course. So let's get right into it. So we're definitely going to want to kind of loosen these up here. The bottom's not too bad. This ain't no Raisin Bran, so you might have to use more than 2 scoops, you dig? Make sure your container has holes in the bottom too. This was one that came without holes, so we had to drill some in the bottom. All right, so we got that about where we want it. Gonna just take our hands like this, just the fingertips, and loosen up these outer roots on here so they're free to move around the pot and get the new nutrition from the new soil and potting mix that we've created. May not look like much as of right now, but we have loosened them. Let's get this right here. Now all we do is backfill. So there we have our newly potted up purple Verbena plant. Doesn't look like much, but it'll take off. But you know there's something else we got to do first, right? Yeah. So as you can see, we've got this deadage on here that we definitely want to get rid of. So see how that looks a little bit better there? See this little new growth in here? So be it. Little flower head that was starting, gone. Want these roots to establish. This is a good piece here, but I don't like how it looks down here. Gone. there you have it. So now we'll get some. This is what we're left with. Now I'm going to show you why I'm not worried about this one. Because this right here is a healthy verbena in a 1 gallon container. It needs to be potted up. Recently pruned off all the blooms and flowers. And this is what we have. Don't be scared. Make sure to up pot. You can do any pruning that you need to at that time. You can do it afterwards, whichever. But we're going to keep up with this. This is just part 1 of transplanting a verbena with extreme pruning. Make sure to keep you up to date. Watch how this plant comes back in a very, very short amount of time. You won't be disappointed. Purple verbena. All right? Peace. I guess I need to tell people, don't forget to water it. All right? Cool.